Welcome back. This video will explain how to sort or arrange records within HearForm software. In order to show you how to sort or arrange records within HearForm, I'm going to go to this List Found Patients button up here, which takes me to an area that looks kind of like a spreadsheet. We call it a table in HearForm. And this will allow me to show you that by clicking to the right side, notice that that little triangle, it doesn't show up until you hold the mouse over the top in the header. When you click there, you can sort or arrange by almost any category. So I can sort ascending or descending, and you'll notice that the last name field is sorted in a descending manner now. In the same way, I can sort or arrange by the first name. I can also sort by a number of different columns by coming up here to, sometimes it'll say patients or invoices or audiograms, different things like that. But when you come up to this top menu or press the Control key and letter S, as you can see right there, we can sort found patients, your found set of records, that group that is currently showing. And it's going to ask me how would I like to sort them. Well, two of the common ways to do that would be alphabetically like that. But let's do that again. I'm going to go back here to Sort Found Patients. I could sort by zip code, but I want to show you this Select button here. This brings up what's called the Sort Records dialog box. And it shows you the previous sort that already took place. And in this case, it's sorting by zip code, then by name last and name first. Now I can actually drag those up by grabbing the double arrow on the side. And I may want to sort first by first name, then last name, then zip. Or I may want to clear that. And I may want to instead sort by clinician name, or over here I'm going to click the letter O so I can quickly go to that. I may want to sort first by the assigned office, then by the clinician, then by last name, then by first name. And again, I can sort descending or ascending when you notice the little bar chart there changes the shape there. Now I won't get into all the other options that are here, it's a little bit too advanced. But I'm going to click sort, and now you'll see up by the pie chart here, 973 records say sorted as opposed to unsorted. So let's look back at that Control S area. I'll select, and unsort means to keep them in the order that they were entered into the system. When you've typed those patients into HearForm originally, they were not necessarily in order, and so you can kind of scroll through and look through all these different patient records just by the order that they were entered. So let's go back to the home screen, and again you'll see that it still says unsorted here. I can do that same sorting process. Excuse me, I went to the wrong area. So the Sort Found Patients, I can just do it by last name first, and then when I click here, I can see, in order to see them as a list on the home screen, I can see all the A's first and then the B's, etc., etc. So this is just a nice way to be able to arrange your records. Let's take another look at a different area where we can do that. I'm going to go to Reports and then Tables, and I'm going to look at addresses. Very similar possibilities here, but I'm going to go to Sort Ascending by City, just like that, or again sort by zip code. If I sort by address, then it's going to put the numbers first and then the alphabet. So keep in mind that when you sort in this program, it's going to sort not alphanumerically, but numerically alpha, if I said that right. So it's going to sort blank records first. You'll notice the top one doesn't have an address. And then as we scroll down, you can see them all in that numeric alpha order. So that's a good example of how you can sort or arrange your records, and it's going to work again on your found set. Let's just do another quick example. I'm going to find everybody who lives in Sebastian, and then I can sort or arrange based on the last name first for all the patients who live in that city, in that found set of 25 records up here. So hopefully you'll be able to manipulate your data and use it in a way that makes sense for you by sorting either one column or multiple columns using the sort option.